Hello guys, welcome back. Let's render an Adobe After Effects project in Adobe Media Encoder, a program by Adobe that allows you to render multiple video projects edited using any of the editing programs by Adobe. So open any Adobe After Effects project. For example, this project that has this vertical bar chart, just like this. Ooh, fancy. It's been animated. So let's render this or export this. It's in Comp 2. Composition. Click on the composition, Comp 2, and then go to composition, and then click on Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. Let it open. Or hold Ctrl Alt M all together using your keyboard. It's still being open. Alright, now here we have the Q panel, and then Comp 2 composition will appear in this Q panel. Wait and see. Oh yeah, there we have it. To, manually do this, to manually drag an Adobe After Effects project from your documents, open documents, and then here we have this bar chart. Adobe After Effects project. Drag it into the Q panel. Let's see. Let the program grab the compositions in the Adobe After Effects project, and then click on Comp 2 and then click on OK, which is the composition that has the vertical bar chart. There you have it. One which comes from the After Effects program, and then another one that comes from your documents. And then, alright, you can, do some tweaks here. For example, changing the video file format. Click on the down arrow, and then here we have the video file formats. For example, H.264, which is MP4. The default, supported on YouTube. For instance, if you want to upload YouTube videos, this is the most common video file format. And then, there are many others. AVI, Apple Prores, which is common in Apple devices. And then you have QuickTime, MPEG 2, Blu-ray, DVD, and so on. So let's render this. Okay, the preset should always be set to match source high bit rate, which is the highest, highest form of quality. And then you can even, change the file directory. Click on this one and then click on documents, and then let's name it bar chart, and then click on save when you're done. Status ready. To render or export the composition in the Adobe After Effects project, click on the play icon on the top right to start queuing. Alright, here we have the output preview. So what is edited will be shown here from start to end. There we go. The vertical bar chart is appearing. The numbers appear, and then the vertical bars are being animated just like this. Wait until it's fully done. Will take some time. Will take some time, that's to say. And then you can stop or pause by clicking on this and this. Alright, when you're done, the status will actually say done. And then go back to, the output file, click on it, and then there you have it. Play it. Voila. The composition that you chose has been rendered just like this. Fancy. That's how you can render an Adobe After Effects project in Adobe Media Encoder. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for me. It's good day. Ciao.